Hello kids, welcome to Melu Classroom. Today we are going to learn a new number, okay? But before that, we will sing a number song. Children, we have learned so many numbers, right? Yes. So now we will sing a song on numbers, okay? Are you ready? Right. So now watch me carefully and then we will do it together again, okay? Show me a thumbs up. Yes. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? Let's all come together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! So children, how many fingers are there on our two hands?
10.
10 fingers. Yes. So we all learned numbers from 1 to 10. So now let's see what is the next number that comes after number 10. Okay. So let's see what is the number today. So children, the number of the day is number 11. What is this? Number 11. Repeat after me. Number 11. 11. Yes. Good job. So, let's see. Number 1 and 1 makes number 11. Yes, it is very easy, right? Number 1 and 1 makes number 11. Yay! So, we all learned how to write number 1, isn't it? It is very easy. It's just a standing line. Yes, it's just a standing line. So, one standing line makes number 1. Number 11 is very easy to write, children. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Number 1 and 1 makes number 11. So, we all know how to write number 1, right? So, it's just a standing line. Yes, so this is number 1. And one more standing line makes number 11. So now let's learn how to count number 11. Okay. We have few balls here. Yes, we all love to play with balls, right? So let's count how many balls are there. You all need to count along with me. Okay. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, how many balls are there? 11 balls. Yes? Now, let's see how many cakes are there here. Yes? Yummy, yummy, colorful cakes. Right, children? So, let's count and see. But you need to repeat along with me. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. So, we learned how to count number 11. Okay. Now, children, shall we clap our hands for 11 times? Yes? Come on, you also clap along with me. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, good job. Right. Children, we have seen how number 11 looks like. Okay. And we also learned how to count number 11. Okay. Now, let's see where is the number 11 from the given number board. Okay. So, come on. Find out. Search, search, search. Where is number 11? Yes, it is here. And now we clearly understand that number 11 comes after number 10. Yes. Children, now it's time for A writing. Okay. So let's quickly learn how to write number 11. Okay. So as I told you, number 11 is very easy to write. Okay. So number 1 and 1 makes number 11. So we all know how to write number 1. Yes. So how do we write number 1? It's just a standing line. Okay. So see, start from the top, a standing line, and one more standing line makes number 11. Yes. It's very easy and I learned how to write it. Okay. So you also practice writing number 11 in the air. Okay. So children, let's see what is given in our menu books. Okay. So children, this is number 11. 1 and 1 makes number 11. And children, here we have few fish. What are these? Fish. And children, can you tell me what is the color of the fish here?
Blue in color.
Good job. It is blue in color. The fish are blue in color. So let's count how many fish are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fish are there? 11 fish. Okay. Now here we have few activity. Okay. So here we have dotted lines for tracing number 11. So let's trace and see whether I can trace it properly or not. Okay. Start from the top and make number 1. Yes. So 1 and 1 makes number 11. Children, here we have one more activity. See, here I can see a cloud. And what I need to do is, I need to draw raindrops. Okay. So I need to draw 11 raindrops by counting 1 to 11. Okay. So we already learned to count 11, right? So let's draw 11 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, so we have learned how to count numbers 1 to 11. Okay. So children, let's see one more activity which is given in the book. Continue. So we need to count and color only 11 tomatoes. Okay. So what is the color of the tomatoes, children? Red in color. Yes. So we need to count and color only 11 tomatoes. But now I will count here. But you need to count and color it in your books. Okay. So how many tomatoes are you going to color? Good job. You will color only 11 tomatoes. Okay. So let's count 11 tomatoes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. So I learned to count 11 tomatoes, but you need to color them in your book. Okay. So let's get into hands-on activity. So children, now we will learn how to trace number 11. Okay. So I have taken the sand tray. Okay. So let's see how to trace number 11. So make number 1. Make number 1 and 1 again. So this is number 11. So children, now we will learn how to make number 11 using the clay or dough. Okay. So take small ball of clay and make it into two halves. Okay. So now make two balls. Okay. Now we learned how to make a line. Okay. So we will roll to make a standing line. Roll, and we have made two lines, children. Okay. Now if we place them in standing position, it becomes number 1. And one more one. 1 and 1. 1 and 1 makes number 11. So children, we have learned so many things about number 11, right? We have learned to identify number 11, how to count 11, and how to trace and write number 11. Now it's your turn. I will give you a small homework, okay? So go and identify number 11 in your wall clock at your home, okay? And try to identify number 11 in the wall clock and show it to your parents, okay? You all will do this homework for me, right? Yes? Very good. So that's all for today's session. See you later. Bye.